It's just not low.
This thing, what so many people do is he tried to replace the starter battery. First got in it.
Oh, you should be able to drive it.
Yeah. So
people think you're a genius. This is the heat.
yeah.
So a dirty fan is going to be up. Because you can literally go into that app and turn this. You can still, there's 28 of them and one out of the 20.
Okay, so
Well, he charges them and I didn't, so it doesn't, my whole life, I've been more interested in gas mileage than I have in performance. But that's just the way when I started driving, you know, I was paying for everything. So, and it's expensive to build performance. It's a lot cheaper to build become. I'm gonna put
learn about the hybrid battery replacement and kind of about him, and yeah. First impressions of the new Prius, the new battery. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's squealing, y'all. That was dope. I need to have something to go to the store. Alright, got on the highway now. Let's see if it works, but man, this thing is cranking out some gas mileage right now. And picking up to 70, no problem. So, yeah, that's about it until we get out to Peter's place and get to take the doors off of a model that he has, and we can replace these doors. I think we're gonna sign off here. Thanks, Swamper Nation.